Hello, 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 and welcome back to another day in my regular life. Y'all, we slept on the couch last night, and I'm just getting up. It's about 1 o'clock, 1:29 right now. And I thought I would film a spend the day with me. So I'm going to take y'all around with me the whole day. Like I said, I just got up, so y'all getting a real spend the day with me. I don't know what we got planned for today. We might go fishing, we might not. Definitely gotta go get some groceries to feed this man. And other than that, I don't know what else to get. I don't know what else we're gonna do. So, yeah. I guess once I get up and moving, I will come back to you guys. And yeah, peace. Happy Saturday. We've made it up off the couch. We've made it up off the couch, y'all. Okay, now we're in the bathroom. What to do? We gotta do in the bathroom, brush our teeth, wash our face, use the restroom, all of that good stuff that I'm not gonna show you because I actually hate when people brush their teeth on. I have a thing with spit, so me watching someone brush their teeth is probably gonna be a no for me, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna come back once everything is done. He's put on some more deodorant. I put on some last night after the shower, but you know, we about to go outside in this Texas heat, baby. I'm about to put on some deodorant, you know. I really need to start putting sunscreen on my face daily, not just when I go somewhere. But yeah, so we're about to get all this done. And yeah, come back to you. All right, y'all, I'll show you what I'm wearing for today. Today we're wearing this dress. Just something simple. Go to the store. I need to get rid of my little belly fat. But yeah. Just a simple little dress. That's what we're wearing today. Alright y'all, it's gonna be my first time going to the store with the camera. Alright y'all, we made it, our first Walmart trip vlogging, and we didn't care who looked at us. My husband was having a mini heart attack. But me, I ain't care. So my husband is prepping the chicken for a recipe that he saw. So what he doing is he is butterflying the chicken. And then he's gonna put it on his pellet grill. And then we're going to make this like cilantro garlic sauce, and we're gonna toss it in there. He's seasoning the chicken right now. Y'all to know my husband's a barbecue master. So if y'all in the DFW area and y'all want some barbecue, hit him up.
Get him out the way. too much?
Give me. We got some cheese going. We got the noodles going. And the chicken is looking scrumptious. Look at that. Oh my God. That looks so.
This man just saying, y'all, will you open me one more time?
So we're still drinking all the liquor that we had at our wedding almost a year ago. So today we're doing Crown and Coke. Your bones. I always regret doing that much because it's so strong. And here we got the cherry Coke. I like doing them in these glasses, but it be so strong. Woo! All right, I'll come back to y'all with the finished product. This is how everything is turning out. This is the rotini queso pasta. This is the chicken. It looks so fucking good, y'all. Like, oh my God. Yeah, that's our dinner for tonight. And here's over playing Call of Duty, and we're about to eat, and then I'm about to get back on my game. So cheers to Saturday. We got some good food, good drinks, good company. Ain't that right, honey? But yeah, once I play it up, I'll kind of show y'all again. But yeah. Oh, shit. Okay, y'all, so this is what the plate is looking like. We got the chicken. Ooh, look at that chicken. We got the pasta. Yes, honey, yes. Looks delicious. So, baby, I'm about to tear this up. Tear it up, baby. Tear it up. And then I'm about to be drinking and playing a game all night. Get my little phone. And this will be my seat for the next couple hours. So I'll come back to y'all when I'm done, because I wouldn't dare put that much smack in y'all ear.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we did our first battery change. Alright, y'all. First battery change. And then we're gonna put this Sony one. All right, y'all, we're about to take this shot of Buchanan's pineapple. I think it's scotch, but it's really good. We got it for a wedding gift. And yeah, it's really good. And our little boot here. See,
Yeah, they were 3 deep at the gas station.
So cute. I'm still playing my little game. This boot is so cute. Do y'all see?
Yeah, I was close to it, but
Whew. See, I just wanted to come on here and do that with y'all.
shit. They about to take this bitch back, I see.
But I'm just continue to listen to my music, play my game, chill, relax. It's 2:18 right now, but that's okay. We ain't got nowhere to go tomorrow. So we're just gonna enjoy our night, listen to some music, listen to him play his game.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
They
Just
still
chill.
in that bitch.